Saturday cooking here. We just got back from the grocery store and I have no words because we were at the grocery store at what, 8:30 a.m. 8:32 a.m. Derek had to go to urgent care and we were there at 7:57 a.m. so look at us being early on a Saturday morning. We're just prepped for this time change tomorrow. I hate going to the grocery store without a plan, and today was one of those moments where we had like 10 minutes to get out the door and we decided he needed to be to urgent care right away. One thing that we decided on the way in is that we're gonna make a roast, but this is probably what, a 3 to 4 pound chuck roast, and I don't really do anything special with these. From frozen, gonna throw it in the crock pot with some onions and carrots. I'm actually onions now, carrots later. I don't want the carrots to get too mushy. Tomorrow, I'm gonna show you a little special treat for beef salad. I'm probably gonna lose a lot of followers for beef salad, but it is a treat around here. We don't have it very often. Usually because if I make chuck roast, we'll eat chuck roast one night and then I'll do like beef and noodles the next night or repurpose it. But beef salad is constantly their request, isn't it? It's your favorite. Did you have beef salad before we met, or was this something that I introduced you to? Yeah, for a few of my followers, the Adams house. I remember Jane making it for me one time, and she's like, your grandma used to make this all the time. And I do remember Grandma Jo making it on occasion, but it is kind of a heavy, kind of fatty item, so it would be odd that my Grandma Jo made it. I'm gonna go wash my hands and come back. I don't crock pot cook very often. It's usually on the weekend because I'm a millennial that grew up watching This Is Us and totally saw them start their house on fire with crock pot. And I know that these things are safe, but I will never be able to handle it. Garlic-wise, fresh would be best, but I'm just gonna add in a big spoonful of your garlic. Thank you. That was so helpful. Okay, let's put the lid on now. I'm so afraid of this top shelf. So I added about a cup out of this one. I'm gonna add in this entire, and I will actually repurpose this beef broth afterwards. I do think this is a boneless chuck roast, which is fine. If it were bone-in, it would produce a lot more gelatin or a jelly to it, but we'll get quite a bit of beef broth to freeze and reuse after this. This could be great in some additional meals. I'm gonna add a big spoonful of this Better Than Bouillon, the vegetable kind. Seasoned vegetable base. Ah, it's so hard to open. You scoop? Perfect, big scoop. There we go, thank you. Can I pour it? I don't know if you can reach. It's like tablespoons. I was born and raised here in Iowa. I am very proud to be from the state. We're maybe not the best place to live right now, and I love the Cyclones and truly believe that it's a Cyclone state, right, Mom? She'll totally disagree with me. She's the world's biggest Hawkeye fan, especially Hawkeye women's basketball. That woman lives and breathes for that team. And I married the love of my life. He is the type A to my chaos. Derek is very well put together. I am not. He's like the type of guy where, did you set a timer? And I'm totally timing on vibes. That describes us absolutely perfectly. I'm also the oldest child, so I naturally have mother energy. I have 2 younger brothers, so I was raised to take care of people or look out for people. So being a parent has been the best thing in my life. I guess the I can do it myself attitude was just built in, and it's also built into this one. We have 1 daughter. She's absolutely the CEO of our household, right? You're the CEO. You're all done? Yes, we're all done apparently. Yeah, she's telling me we're all done. Anyways, those are 3 super fun facts about me today. So I'll share more with you at some point in time. But the last thing that we need to do before we get this thing cooking, we're gonna add in some SPG. This Kosmo's dry rub SPG is one of my favorite things to use on a roast. I'm just gonna do a good amount to layer right over the top. And an onion. Added some baby onions later, so this is about what I've left over from last night separately. Added that almost an entire onion, just quartered it up. It's gonna go on high. I'll be back in 3 hours. We're gonna add some more onion and carrots to finish this out, but really excited for this tonight for dinner. Have a great day.